Huh, buddy? It's all your fault. You stole all my calcium. And you're in my belly. Yay! What did you do? Who's this?
Big.
It's a horsey. That's a horsey. What's this, Max? Max, what's this? Who's this? Max, who's this? Max. Okay, yeah. Who's this?
Daddy.
That's not Daddy.
Baby.
Pig. What does the pig say? Oink, oink. Oink, oink. How about this? Who's this? It's the farmer. Say hi, farmer.
Farmer Jake.
Say hi, farmer Jake. Hi. Can you blow him a kiss? Oh, yeah. Say love you, farmer. Say love you.
Love.
Again, one more time. Say love you. Max, say love you. Hey. He's setting everyone up over there.
Yellow.
Love you.
Yeah.
Okay, here, you gonna put Farmer Jake over there? Okay, put him over there. Who's this guy?
Big.
Goat. Can you say goat?
Go.
Goat. Good job. Oh, we're all out of characters. No more characters left. All done. No more characters. Did you set them all up over there? You see his little setup?
Otto.
All done. Now what are you going to do with them?
Otto.
All done. Yeah, there's no one left. All done. You took them all out?